In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent text in a Google Slides presentation. This is a very handy trick if you want to create a clean and modern looking slide with text that seamlessly blends into your background. Whether you're presenting to a classroom, colleagues, or even on a virtual platform, mastering this simple technique can make your slides stand out. First things first, let's get started by heading over to Google Slides. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is crucial because your work will be saved directly onto your Google Drive, giving you access to your presentations anytime and anywhere. Once you're logged in and at the Google Slides homepage, you have the choice either to click on a blank presentation to start from scratch, or select a template if you prefer something a bit more structured. Choose the option that best suits your needs for the presentation at hand. Once you're in the editing space, it's time to type in the text you want to appear transparent. Simply click on a text box or create a new one using the text box tool in the toolbar above. Carefully type in the message or heading you wish to apply the transparent effect to. Now that your text is in place, let's proceed to adjust its visibility. Navigate to the top of the screen where the toolbar contains several icons and options for customizing your slide components. Look for the fill color icon, which is symbolized by a paint bucket. Click on this to open a palette of colors. Here, instead of the usual choices of colors, you'll want to select the transparent option. This will remove the fill color from your text, making it appear transparent against the background of your slide. This step effectively allows any design, image, or color behind the text box to shine through your text, thereby achieving that elegant, transparent text effect you're aiming for. One helpful tip: if the effect doesn't quite suit your needs initially, you can always come back to the fill color options and make adjustments or experiment with different background images and colors to see what works best. And there you have it, you've successfully created transparent text in Google Slides. Remember, with this approach, a little experimentation can go a long way in ensuring your designs not only look professional, but also align with the overall theme of your presentation. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can continue building the rest of your slide deck around this design, integrating any other content and styles you desire. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy presenting.